Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha and this video is about egg masala curry. Egg masala curry is a popular gravy based curry which goes very well with any kind of a bread like roti, fulka, naan, or even with rice like plain rice or bagara rice. Apart from being very quick, easy and simple ingredient recipe, this is rich in protein and goes well or combines well with any kind of a main course either at lunch or dinner hours. So let's see how to make this egg masala curry, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha recipes. So let's watch how to make this egg masala curry. Dry roast the grated coconut. Add oil. Add one sliced onion. Add ginger garlic paste. Turn off the flame and add the grated roasted coconut. Add green chillies. Add coriander leaves. Now blend this into a smooth paste, adding little water. Add little water and make it into a paste. The paste is done. This consistency we need. And now keep this aside. Add little oil. Add egg. In the same oil, add turmeric, coriander powder, red chilli powder. Now add this grounded paste. Now take these eggs, add little chili powder, turmeric, garam masala. Once the oil is surfaced, add salt, garam masala, we can see that the oil is surfaced. So this is done, and now we will serve this. So this egg masala is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.